Alright, YouTube. So yeah, we back. I had to redo my card, man. My card was full. So yeah, they took them screws out right quick already. What you been doing? Play baseball with that, bro? They already took the screws out right there. When they took the nut off right here, took the screw out right there. I'm finna go inside, see what I need to take off so I can get it all took out. So I can get that shit out of there, man. So my boy can come get me right. So look like I caught. Well, ain't nothing back there. Oh no. Let's see. What the fuck is this shit right here? I covered that shit. Okay, so that's out. I don't really see no motherfucking screw to take this shit out of there. Looks like it's already loose. Alright, let me see what I gotta do to take the heater core box out of here and so I can get the heater core changed. Then that way I can get that welded up. So, cause I know you gotta like do tack welds and all that shit to remove this dash, and we ain't doing all that shit. We ain't taking that shit down. We got little spot welds up here we gotta take out, so we ain't doing that. So let me see what I gotta do to take this off of here, and we're gonna go from there. Got it? No, you gotta turn it and then take it off. Nah, this is do. I'm gonna pop this shit off right here. Get my pliers. Pliers. Got it? Let me see. Which one you trying to get out? Alright, take that bolt off right here. On that one right there, and then you're gonna get this one right here too. Got it on there? It's not on that one. What? It's not on that one. Let me see. It go on. It was just on this one right here. This one. Alright, take this one off and I'll figure out what you gotta do for that one. Take that one off right now. Take this glove box out of here too. What I gotta do to take that out? Oh, it's just holding with one bolt at the bottom too. I'm gonna pull that all the way out too. Got it. Let me see. Hey, if you got it wrong, you gotta go off. See there? But they ain't tell you what to do. You going the whole wrong way, Jack. You've been doing all that ratcheting and going the whole wrong way. Coming now? Yep. Alright.
This one is a bigger one.
Bigger or smaller?
Bigger. This one, yeah, bigger.
So I need an 8. Ah, damn, I hate this thing. About this shit. I hate this shit, man. About to break. There you go. Might be about another one. I don't like that. Alright, see if we can get that one off over there. Push the button. Push the button. Put it on. Let the button go. There you go. That's it? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me come on this side, take the other thing out. What out? What is that?
It's done.
Alright. Get that to your brother and look under the bottom. They got a bolt right there under that thing right there. Yeah, take it out. Under the bottom of the glove box. It's too what?
That one's too big. Get the
Alright, take that off and put it back and get that other one at 7.
Let me see.
Just pull it, Bubba. Push the button on the ratchet and then put that on there. If it say off on your ratchet, the little button. No, look at the button. Do it say off or on? There you go.
Keep it straight.
Yeah, just like that. Hold it like that and take it out. That up. What you doing? No, you gotta go the other way. Yeah, like that.
Oh, yeah, okay, good.
Alright. Now, hey, go back and forth.
Yeah.
Like that. Every time it's clicking, is going back. It ain't turning it. That's like that. Let's break it up in there. All right. See, open the glove box up. Turn that knob, and see if it come out. If they don't come out,
It's still one more.
they got another screw in there. Take that one out. You see another screw?
Yeah, so it's a screw, but you need a rubber screwdriver.
What you need? All right, go get the Phillip. It's on the back of the truck. Y'all ain't never put it in the back in the bag. Look on the back, on the top part up there. TJ, look up there on the top by that box. On the other side. Alright, see if it come off now. Alright, look, you gotta get it unhooked from it. There you go. Put the 2 screws that came out the glove box inside the glove box. Y'all got the 2 little things? Just throw them in there. Alright. Let me get over there and see what we gotta do now. Let me see what we gotta do over here now. Alright, so we got the glove box side. I got a bolt right there. So we got a bolt right there. We gotta get out. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right there. Bolt right there. We gotta take out. That one up there out already. Of course, everything at the bottom already out. It might be another one over here somewhere. But all right, y'all need an extension and a 12 and a 3/8. All right. So we got the heater core box out. Heater core, just the box inside. To the glove box out the vents. I got the other vents right here. Pull them out. Alright, got that out. That's just the air vents for the top, blow out the top up here. So I got one little hose that broke right there. You can see right there, and then right there. I can patch that back up, not a big deal. I don't know what this wiring harness go to, so I'm gonna see what that go to. Oh, this hose comes somewhere out here, and I don't know what the fuck it go to. Ain't no telling. Some type of vacuum, but we ain't gonna sweat it. We ain't gonna sweat that shit. Probably ain't gonna even need it. I don't know. I don't know what all this shit go to, but that's the electrical plug that's going inside. We gonna leave it. So we got the box out, so now we can get the hole welded up. And basically you can see the curve right here, so we're gonna have to get something to come across here just like that, just right across there like that. Yeah. And we're gonna get that one patched up right there too. Gonna get that hole patched up, and then we should be good. We'll just tack weld some of these lit pin holes right here. We'll put some tack on it, tack it, and seal it up, coat it. That's how we're gonna do. So what the fuck is that? So yeah, we got that out. So I'm finna finish doing my parking brake. I ain't never finished that shit. I gotta snap that shit, lock it in, and then we're gonna probably take this apart, put the one way some more foam, get some more foam, and then take it apart, put the heater, get the new heater core put in there. I got one. So because it don't make no sense to leave this in here and then whatchamacallit, since you gotta whatchamacallit it anyway, you gotta so your heater ain't gonna work. If you do that shit, you ain't gonna have a motherfucking heater. So alright, so we got that out. Get my light. It's dead. Gotta charge that up. The light dead. Take it to work tomorrow, charge it. Yeah, so let me work on the park brake now, and then shit, we probably gonna be done. Alright, so I gotta hook the shiny cable, the shiny thing right now. I gotta hook it up there to the little foot thing right there. That thing that moved right there at the back, I gotta hook that silver piece to that. So that's what we're finna try to do right now. And then we're gonna connect it all at the bottom. We're gonna be good to go. And I don't know what we're gonna do with this bulkhead right here with these fuses. I don't know. But oh, we got whatever hose run all the way over here for AC right here, boy. So we're gonna see what that's about too. All that stuff. But the nephew was tripping because this thing got a clock and shit. So, but yeah, let's get under here and hook the cable up right quick, so I can get the parking brake cable done. All right, I got the cable hooked up in there, and I got it connected under here too. Right here. I gotta adjust it. It ain't adjusted, but it ain't connected right. But I gotta figure out what's going on with that. But other than that, shit, we pretty much got that connected, huh? I'll take that out. Take the seatbelts out. So, see, got the bolt there. Take that one and that one right there. So see what size you got. You hungry too? You tired? Huh? Hungry? Stay hungry.
Try this one.
It fit? Let me see. No, it's too big. You gotta be. What size that say? Look at it, guys.
22.
So you need a 21. Look in the bag. Still should have one in there. Y'all gonna take that off right there. Yeah, that one, the one up at the top. Same thing over here at the top over here. You're gonna take that off. The one at the bottom right here, and then the other. Put it on there, see if it fit right. Alright, let's get that off of there. Turn it around. Turn the gun around. There you go. If you need to get that extension out of there, get that extension just so you'll have a little bit, but you shouldn't need it. Put the socket on the gun. Take it off of there. Put the socket on the gun. Make sure it's on reverse. Put it all the way on there before you try to take it out. Now turn it around. Hey. Turn the gun around. Yeah, like that. Make sure it fit all the way on there first. All the way down. That's not down because it's crooked. It's going. The bolt straight up and down, so the gun got to be straight up and down. That can't be at no angle. Get the extension. If it don't fit, get the extension. Yeah. Leave it on now for now. Just get your extension. Nah, you got to get one of the big ones. That's for the small gun. You got to get one for the big gun. They don't have no shorter one? No shorter big one? Huh? No? Ah, damn, man, that's odd. Nah, that ain't damn for that. That's for something else. Gotta have one somewhere. Alright, y'all go ahead and put that on there and try to do it with that. Let me see if I can find the other one. Another ratchet, a socket, another extension for that. Got it on now? I hate that long one, man. Hold the gun. Hold it. Hey, put it on there. Like push, yeah, like that. Hold it. Keep going. Don't stop. Alright, now there you go. Now hit this one over here. That right there in the middle, right there. Here, come do this one since y'all got the extension on there, and then that way you can take it off and get the other ones and the ones at the top. That way you can take the extension off of there. Let it go, man. Let it go. All right, take the extension off of there. You keep the socket. Take the extension out. All right, put the socket back, and then you're gonna hit. Make sure it fit up here. Same. That's the right side. Make sure you're holding the gun so it don't hold the gun. All right. All right. Now you gotta get here. Get that seatbelt right there. All right. Now go ahead and let him do the other side. Huh? So where your flathead at? Get your flathead. Oh shit. Pop that out. Okay. Let me see, because it ain't no good no way. Dry rot it. Let's see if we pop it on there. The 21. See if we can get it on there. That's it. That's right. Gotta keep it all the way down on there. That's it. And then get the one at the top of that. That motherfucker, that sound like he wasn't even in there. Alright, that's it, man. We got that shit done. So, that's about that on that, man. Got that out. Next time, we probably have to clean this thing up. Bring the blower and shit up here to boom. Clean this out. Paint this inside and put that shit on the floor.
Leave these? Leave these?
Yeah, them right there. Yeah, get the garage, just grab all the tools. Do me a favor. Let's take this shit out too. Can you get to them all them screws over there?
With my hands?
No, like with the socket. Let me see something. Alright, so I don't know if I want to take the bracket out.
Yeah, I can do these two.
They got two?
Yeah, and this one already out. This is already out.
Ain't nothing holding on the top. Go get the wire cutters, Tyree. They the ones that they cut these wires for the speakers. Not that one, the other one on the speaker. Not that one.
You said the other one on the speaker?
Yeah, like, so all we're really doing is trying to get this out of here right here. Oh, pull it out. Take it out. My bad. Alright, hold on. Pull the wires up. Trying to see what you got. Okay. Let me see that. We know these speaker wire. What color them is over there? Brown?
Brown, gray, and blue. Oh no, brown, gray.
Brown. Alright. Cut it right there at the little white thing.
Right.
Yeah. Put it all the way in there at the bottom. All the way. All the way. Alright, right there. Now cut it. There you go. Same thing on the other wire. Alright, that's that. Give me a let's get a bag. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the trash. That's trash. Take that out of there, that speaker. Gonna throw that in the trash. Get a big one, Tyree. I should have some more trash bags up, some bags up in here. Oh yeah, I got that too. I already had bought the evaporator core. I just hadn't brought it up here. So, got the evaporator core, heater core. Just trying to buy this shit. You find something? A bag that we can use for trash? What's in here? See what's in that bag right there. Never mind. I got something in it. Not that. Hold it. Wires, spark plugs. Oh, that's my door handle. No door handle for the plug. Alright, we want to use that bag right now. Let me see this. Alright. Huh? So, yeah, that's new door handles right there, y'all. Yeah, new door handles. Got new door handles, new mirrors right here in this box. New mirrors right there in that box. That's not that. What the fuck is this? Studs. Oh yeah, studs. All kind of bullshit out there, man. Could have used that box for trash. Check my other trash bag right here. Where you at with the bag, Tyree? Come on. You already got the speakers? What you throwing in the trash? No. I don't need you to throw them in. Don't throw them in the trash yet. I gotta see if I can get some new ones. The whole bracket. If not, then I'm gonna have to order. I'm gonna have to get them fixed. So I gotta talk to the dude first. Yeah, just leave them in there. We'll figure that out after I talk to the guy. What is that, buddy? Some of that stuff I'm gonna put back in the truck, and then some of it I'm gonna throw away. Oh yeah, I need this. I was looking for this right here. This piece right here, I definitely need this. This go from the one side for the AC part right here. Nah, Tyree, go ahead. We're gonna get the trash out the inside. We're gonna get the trash out the inside, and then this here stuff, I'll just throw it in the thing. Cause a lot of this shit I ain't gonna use. This goes go right here. Oh no, they go under the steering wheel. Definitely need that. I'm gonna have to take some of that stuff and go put it in my truck. This shit I don't need. Radio I don't need. Battery, cable, I don't need that shit. Throw all that shit away right there. All this shit going in the trash too. Transmission. No. That's for the motor, so I need that. That's for my motor and trans. I need that. Can't throw that away. What? Nah. Here, throw this in there too. Y'all, all this like this paper and shit that's in this container. I'm gonna throw that away. That there, throw that away, throw that away. Man, I got shit I had, man. I know I fucking need, man. I'm gonna tell you the truth, boy. Throw that in the trash. That motherfucker would have went though. Them motherfucker shits. I didn't need them, so I don't know where they would have went. I don't hear the bushing. Huh? So yeah. Brand new, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna call my boy so we can get that shit welded up. I get my motor and transmission put in this thing, and trying to get rocking on this motherfucking thing. Put the heater core in, get that box put back in, and go from there. But I'm gonna do the down. I'm gonna clean it up and then do this flow. I got the shit for the flow. I might need more, I don't know, but I'm gonna clean all this out, get it out, cleaned out. Then we're gonna go high as up here as we can, man. I don't know if I'm gonna take this out and then put some more that shit up there. But we got it over there. I might need to buy some more, but I don't know. This is right here. This shit I definitely need my. Oh, that's my gasket for my rear end. What happened? The paper. All the paper stuff, the cardboard paper, all that stuff. Yeah, this is it. I'm probably gonna need more of this though. This shit right here though. This shit. Leave the holes in there. This the shit right here. I don't know about this shit though. But it came like this big old piece. I got 2 of these. But I think, I don't know. But this is, I'ma see. I ain't for sure about it. I might have to order some more. Two of them. I got 2. 1, 2 of them. So I'm gonna see. Huh? Y'all got it? Here, let me see. Come here, buddy. Put that throw this in there. Throw this in there. That throw that in there. Not this, cause I might I don't know. Leave it. Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna leave the rest for now. Alright, that's it. We're finna take that so we can throw that shit away. What's this? Build tool. So, give me that other box on the truck so I can bring it in here. Go ahead and y'all can put that stuff in the truck right there. We're gonna put that in the truck. We're gonna put that we're gonna put the bag in the truck. We're gonna take that and throw it away. Y'all got the sockets and stuff out the inside the truck? Mm-hmm. Heater cord. Need to straighten this motherfucker up. You know what I need to do. Evaporator cord. This is my box. I'm gonna clean that up. I'll put the evaporator cord on there right there. Got it. Go ahead and put that stuff up in the truck, Bubba. We're gonna put this in the back of the truck. Give me the bag of trash, Tyree. Just set it right there. Can't tie it up. Alright, just set it right there like that. Alright, and I need this. All that stuff right there, we're gonna throw it in the back too. Just set it right in there, we'll throw it in there. Not this, and not the one with, and not this one. I mean this one. Everything else can go in there. Leave me this for now. Leave me this. Yeah, that can go.
Window wiper?
Yeah, that can go too. Let me see. Nah, I might keep them. I might just. Nah, I think it just costs it's cheaper to just buy some new ones than do anything. Nah, not my light, Baba. I need my light, buddy. Don't throw my light away, brother. And gas jugs. We throw the radio away too. Put that radio put it in the thing. We don't need that. And then don't throw that black jug away right there too with the oil going. Don't throw that away. Give me the put that in the truck, Tyree. Give me that gas jug. Alright, man, we're about to put this truck up in here. And then we gonna pretty much be done for the day, man. Let me help them out. I gotta turn these wheels some. And yeah, we're gonna put this truck up in here, man. Hold on, y'all. Cause I need to turn the wheels some. Cause it's getting too far to the other side. Alright, come on, push it. Hold on. Let me get up here. Hold on. Hold on.
What you in a rush for? Nigga, you ain't pushing nothing anyway.
I know.
That's all me. That's all me. Get the top. Get the block. That's all me, nigga. Got a little push. That little push. You couldn't do it by yourself? I could do that by myself. That little, but this is a little. Fail, nigga. Man, you was struggling. Bro, it's a car. You can't even park some truck. What do you mean? You was struggling.
You got it, man.
I don't see all you and you're struggling.
Alright, man, we done. So we're about to get to the house, go get cleaned up, and eat, and go from there, man. So y'all like, share, subscribe. You can lock it down, bro. And then we'll get at y'all in the next one.